7157.
Yo, beautiful people, welcome back. Papa Giorgio 7157. We got a lot to talk about. One of those being the new Travis Scott's, the Travis Air Jordan 1 lows. All right, man. We talking about those Canaries, which is a women's exclusive, and those are nice. Now, from what I'm hearing, too many people are not digging the colorway. I don't see why not. I love the colorway. It's kind of like the Laneys, right? Now I know y'all seen the Laney Jordan 5s, which I definitely have a pair of. They're right there. They even kind of remind me of my customs that I made. Are the waffles right there. Um, yeah, I like them. But check this out. They have, from what is being said right now, from what a few of us know, going to be over 150,000 pairs of these. So it's a beautiful thing. Hopefully, it's even more than that. So, a lot of us be able to get that W, which I don't think is going to happen because when a Travis Scott releases, most of us don't get a W. Okay. I have not yet hit for retail on a Travis Scott. All the Travis Scotts that I own have came from resale. So with that said, if it's going to be 150,000 pairs or a little bit over 150,000 pairs, I hope we have a shot at getting a W for those that really want them and really want to rock them. You know what I'm saying? So I'm one of those that actually want to rock them. And I'm not going to lie, I would love to have another pair. So I definitely believe it's, double up worthy. I don't know about y'all, but me, I really like the colorway. I like it a lot. So hopefully they come out with even more pairs than just the 150,000. I definitely want those in the collection. All right. Now, another shoe that is coming out is the Air Jordan 12 Taxi Lip, right? That's coming up. Tell me how y'all feel about those in the comment section. Also, after that, I believe it's the women's exclusive Jordan 1 Latte. Tell me how y'all feeling about that. I think it's a nice shoe. A few people got them early and whatnot. Me, it's a women's shoe, so it's not going to fit me. They're not coming out with it, additional sizes. It is what it is. I do like the shoe, actually. It's nice, but they're not coming out of my size. Like Jordan Brand needs to just do away with the whole, women's exclusive thing and just make it where everybody can get their hands on the shoe and just make the shoes where it's, for men and women. Like it's designed for a man's foot and, for a female's foot. So I think that's the way it should go. I don't think it should be like more women exclusive, this and that. I really feel like they should just, make them the way they are. Like Jordan's is unisex, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. But I need those Travis Scotts. So I think I'm gonna try to get some trades together and, you know, see what they looking like so I could get my hands on the Travis Scotts and the J Balvin's because there's a lot of other sneakers that I want and I haven't got them yet. So I definitely got to make that happen. It's a lot of Travises I don't have. Like, I don't have none of the Travis lows. None. None. I got the fours. I got both of the sixes. I would like to have the friends and family uh, versions of those. And I just want the whole Travis Scott collection. You know what I'm saying? Even the golf one. You know what I'm saying? I definitely want that one too. So, hey, if it's possible, look out for your guy. You know what I'm saying? Hey, send me him. Hey, I will definitely put them in the collection and make another video. But man, tell me how y'all feel about the taxi flip. I think I'm gonna pass on those. Um, lattes passing, but we'll see. Some more shoes coming out. Um, be prepared, y'all. Be prepared. It's not gonna be easy. So, do what you can to lock in your pair. All right. So, till next time, get it how you can. You know what I'm saying? Papa Giorgio 7157. If you like it, buy it, comment down below, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'm out of here. Till next time. Peace.